Hello, this is Les Walkling and welcome to this short presentation on correctly printing printer profiling test charts through Serendipity MegaRIP. Start the server and then proceed to the MegaRIP client application. Under the Submit menu, select ICC target and then navigate to where the target you wish to print is located. In this case, I'm printing our combined TC1748 target in the horizontal format. It is formatted for printing on rolls of media 610mm or wider. Open the target and select the appropriate page setup. In this example, I'm printing to our Epson P20000 on Canson Platine fibre rag on a 44-inch roll. The selected job ticket is irrelevant because this is not being colour managed. Clicking the Submit button renders this into our Jobs application, where in this case the job is being held. So right-clicking releases the file, and it's now correctly printed without any colour transformation. Double-check that no patches have been cropped and that our 3mm black registration bars are also intact. Then annotate the image and send it to us for subsequent profiling. I hope you found this informative and helpful and wish you all the best with your printer profiling.